So I'm going to be honest, I spend a lot of time looking at the nicest modern projectors, and I gotta say, most of them, in terms of looks, not really much to write home about. This, however, is something to pay attention to, and it is LG's HU80KA projector. It's a 4K UHD projector, and it has tons of innovative features. Definitely one of the most interesting projectors I've seen in a long time, and here is why. The first thing you'll notice about this projector is that it looks very different than what you might assume a projector would look like, and that's because it is very different. It can project in numerous different ways, the most innovative of which is you can set it right on the floor of your living room, pop this bad boy up, and all of a sudden your screen is right out in front of you. So rather than having to deal with any mounting or any kind of crazy setup, you can literally just put this thing in place, plug something into it, press play. Or you don't have to plug something into it, because on board this bad boy is the same smart TV functionality that comes with all of LG's modern TVs, which means you have Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, YouTube, any kind of video content you want to stream is built into this box, so there's no plugging a Roku in, there's no having to deal with anything else. You can literally tote this around with you, connect it to your Wi-Fi, or plug it into Ethernet, and you're good to go. It's off to the races. So other aspects of LG's desire for this to be a portable, very easy to place projector are in other parts of its design. So if you look at the bottom here, the power cable is built in to this really nice lower compartment, and you can actually just press a button, the power cable goes back inside. How cool is that? Another cool aspect is that when you're placing the projector or carrying it with you, it has this nice handle, and this handle actually doubles as a way to set the projector sideways when you want to shoot your image that way. The only thing you'll really need to take with the HU80KA on the go is this magic remote, and it is a very cool remote, let me tell you. It's a lot like using a Wiimote, and you just point and click at whatever you want on the screen, making the smart TV functionality very, very usable, even for newbies. If you're anything like me, you'll be spending most of your time watching this projector using the onboard smart TV apps, but there are the same kind of connections you'd expect on a normal projector. There's two HDMI inputs, one on the back, one on the side. One of them has ARC, so you can send audio to your receiver from the projector if you're using the smart TV. It's got optical audio out, two USB ports, a LAN input for Ethernet, built-in Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, so pretty much you can connect to it with anything. So because of the way this is designed, it has a bit of a shorter throw than most projectors, which means the distance from the wall that you need to have it to get a certain size image is a little bit shorter than other projectors in this price range. What's cool is that you just basically adjust your focus and zoom. It's got a 1.8x zoom on the side here, and you're good to go. In terms of image quality, it's powered by a laser, so it's not a traditional bulb-powered system, and that's cool in that it gives you really crisp detail and really awesome contrast. The one downside is that you're only gonna get about 20,000 hours of playtime out of this, and then it's kaput. There's no replacing a bulb. So, you know, that equates to about 4 hours a day for 14 years. It's a long time, but it is something that you should think about when you're buying a laser projector. So this projector does cost a little bit more than similar looking projectors. That said, you're getting a lot more functionality out of it. It's 2500 lumens of brightness, which is very bright. I believe it's LG's brightest projector ever. You're still gonna wanna use it in a dark room if you can, as with most projectors, and it really does look beautiful. In cinema mode, standard mode, or vivid bright mode, it looks fantastic. The thing that we love about the HU80KA is that you can absolutely treat it like a normal home theater projector. You can put it on a stand in your living room, you can plug it into your receiver, and all of a sudden have a cinema-style experience at home. But what's cool is that whenever you want to, you can unplug it, grab it by the handle, and take it with you on the go, and that's something we just don't see from many other options in this space, and it's why this is one of our favorite new models on the market. Hey guys, we love hearing from you, so if you have anything to add or any questions, be sure to put them in the comments below. Definitely check out digitaltrends.com for other written reviews, and be sure to like and subscribe to our page if you want to hear about other cool products.